PJ Original channel. Today what we're going to be doing, because it's Halloween soon, we are going to be designing and creating our own spooky t-shirts.
So what are you doing? A pumpkin?
Yeah. So I've got these little lines for the stem.
Oh, okay. Remember, you were... Oh, you're doing the brown. Haha. Toby, what are you doing?
Skeleton.
And what are you doing, Rory?
I don't know.
What are you thinking about? Oh, here we go. This, guys, I'm just doing some blood.
I'm doing some blood.
Just doing some blood. What are you doing there, Toby?
Skeleton.
So, Toby, just looking at your t-shirt, what have you got there?
A skeleton.
A skeleton
Mum, now you've
on
lost
a grave.
And
Guys, that is brilliant.
I'm going to do lots of gravestones.
Oh, yeah. So guys, I've just added some red blood dripping down off the collar, and I've just started designing the PJ. I'm going to start on the originals, but on the P and the J, I've got like green slime. So there's like green slime dripping off the PJ, and I don't know yet what I'm going to do with the originals.
Maybe put blood on it.
Maybe put blood on it, maybe? Okay, look at this guy. Right? Yeah, watch this guy. He has got, watch this. He's a crazy, like, professor guy. Crazy professor guy. Oh. Oh. Haha. And Elliot, what have you done so far?
I've done PJ Originals on my sleeve, but I've got a vampire, pumpkin, and Scott.
Yes, brilliant. Rory, what have you got so far?
I made that.
Pumpkin, what's around his mouth?
Blood.
Blood. Oh god, that is creepy.
And I've got blood on my eye.
Oh my god, that is creepy.
I'm telling the story. Look at mine.
Toby, still got his skeleton, and he's put Toby PJ and PJ Originals up the sleeve. And Mummy PJ is just finished off her pumpkin, and she's now moving on to what looks like
graveyard.
She's doing a graveyard at the bottom. That looks brilliant. And just look around our scene, guys. Look around. That's our big.
There's every single.
Enter if you dare.
Enter if.
It's our like graveyard and our candles.
Enter if you do. It looks so creepy, guys.
It does look so creepy. Guys, comment down below which is your favourite time of year. Halloween is definitely probably one of our favourite times of the year, isn't it, guys? So Mummy PJ's just looking at different fonts of writing on her phone, and she's currently putting PJ Originals on her t-shirt, probably to the front. And Toby has just done a happy pumpkin. And Rory, what are you doing?
I'm colouring my pumpkin in red.
Okay. And Elliot's just done, he's going to start adding more to the front of his pumpkin, and he is going to start adding stuff to the sleeves. So Elliot, just tell the viewers what you've done.
I forgot about my pumpkin bed. Now I'm on it, but look, I didn't finally get to do my subscribe, so I'm doing it on the back. So that I pretended that this is a big rectangle in my body that you can actually see my spine and ribs.
By colouring in your pumpkin. And Toby, and what are you doing?
I done my skeleton, my subscribe, and it's got blood. Yes. Ow! There's no hand on there. I just coloured my t-shirt and look at it.
Whoa, PJ Originals, Rory, Sunshine, Pumpkin, and what's that blue thing there? That blue thing there with a squiggly line. You just don't know? Okay, go to Mummy. Mummy, what are you doing?
Mummy's just finishing off a skull, and I have a pumpkin, I've got a witch, I've got like a mini tombstone, and I've got my PJ Original blood writing.
That PJ Original blood writing, guys, is brilliant. Look at that. And then just going over to my t-shirt here, I'm just putting PJ Originals on the back, and I turn it over. This is my t-shirt. So I've got my YouTube button with being eaten by Monster Mouth, PJ Originals. I've got an eyeball and some blood dripping off my neck. Guys, comment down below which t-shirt you think or is your favourite. Okay, and also put in the comments down below what you would put on your t-shirt. Okay, guys?
I want to tell them something forever.
Perfect. So guys, we just completed our t-shirts. Got some fake blood on me. Finished my t-shirt, put some more fake blood on it, and there's the family they're now wearing all of their Halloween t-shirts. Elliot, can I shake your hand, please? So guys, this is Elliot. Elliot, just please stand up for me. Stand up. Yeah, look at Elliot's t-shirt. He's got a handprint on him with some blood. Pumpkin, Elliot, a zombie Forky, and there, everybody, if you look through there, you can see his spine. What a great job. And yeah, guys, there we go. PJ Originals, and that's his cut, the YouTube sign. And on the other side, he is a UK YouTuber. Okay, Toby, stand up. Yeah, I'll shake your hand as well. And Toby has got pumpkin, skeleton, and that's a gravestone.
Yeah.
A thumbs up, guys. Don't forget, as Toby's t-shirt says, to give this video a good.
Subscribe and the bell.
Yeah, good. And turn around, let's have a look at the back. Oh, so what he's got there, he's got a big eyeball. And a big slime dipping down his neck. And again, he's got lots of fake blood. Rory, stand up. Oh, God, I'm doing more handshakes. Let me shake your hand. Okay, so Rory, let's have a look at your t-shirt. You got a little good pumpkin, PJ Originals. And oh, look, Rory. And all of the good colours. Turn around. Lots of slime dripping down there. God, that t-shirt is brilliant. And finally, let's look at Mummy PJ's t-shirt. I think, guys, I don't know about you, but that writing that Mummy PJ has done is outstanding. With the skull and the gravestone. Yes, dude?
Mommy and Daddy have got blood.
Oh, Mummy PJ's got some blood on her face. And the pumpkin. Check out the back. Happy Halloween, PJ Originals. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. Guys.
Show your Daddy t-shirt?
Yeah, guys, show you mine.
So Daddy has the PJ Originals and he's put some funky little slime on there. He looks like he's kind of had a little bit of a fight there. He's got lots of blood. Oh, and he's got an eyeball. And most importantly, look at that sign, guys. That YouTube sign is getting eaten up.
Eaten up. You ready to see the back?
Yeah.
Look at the back.
PJ Originals. And it says Happy Halloween EST 2019. Oh my God, guys. Why is there so many gravestones on the back of Daddy's t-shirt there?
How many zombies are there?
1, 2,
3, 4, 5?
Yeah, and how many of us is there?
There's 5 PJ Originals.
All coming alive from the grave. And guys, to finish off, here we go. To finish off, let's pump some smoke out. Add to the scene. Oh yeah, it's gonna get like a graveyard in here tonight. Okay, but I think, guys, that is it from PJ Originals. Okay, so guys, have a good 2000. Yes, have a good Halloween. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up.